In this energy clearing session, we are going to be working with disputes and restoring harmony. So stay tuned. Hi, it's Robin from Vibration Elevation. And today's card is Kyanite, again from the Crystal Spirits Oracle cards, or the Oracle deck, by Colette Baron Reed. And this stone, this mineral, kyanite, is another one of my favorites. And it's another powerful stone. And let me tell you the essential meaning from this book. It says resolving disputes, diplomacy, restoring harmony, mending fences, and building bridges. And this is a pretty powerful stone. And if this stone is something that resonates for you, you can pick them up online. You can also print out a picture of one and hold that in mind as you go through your day. And as you tap into the energy in the picture, you'll be tapping into the energy of the stone. Now, it's maybe not as strong as having the stone. I mean, honestly, the stones they can be really powerful. But if you don't have one and you're not by a stone store, or you don't have the funds to buy them right now, or you just, for whatever reason, you can't get one today and you want to work with kyanite, get a picture. Look at them online. Look at a few of them and make that connection with the stone. I'm going to read just a little bit more on this page on kyanite in the book because it's pretty good and it's going to help us with the clearing. It says harmony means that even though we're all different, we can blend our unique voices to create an ethereal chorus that uplifts us all. Kyanite Spirit's message is that now is an excellent time for fixing those sour notes that have appeared, resolving any disputes, and healing any rifts for the good of all. So with that being said, think of a person, a specific person that you have some disputes or old energy, old rifts with, any, like I think she said, sour notes. And think of that person. Think of the energy around this relationship, or it may not be a relationship anymore. It may have fizzled out. Who knows? But if the energy, the bad memories, or the sour, the bad taste in your mouth from it is still there, you've still got the energy. So bring that up with the clearing. If there is no energy related to a specific person or an event, when you bring them up, you will have no charge. You'll be like, okay, whatever. There won't be any sort of negative emotion. So when you can tap into a negative feeling or a negative emotion of any kind, there is negative energy in your field that needs to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to clear this with whatever person you have that you're thinking of. And if there's more than one, think of just one at a time and then do this each time with different people. But just start with one. And go ahead and hold them in mind, and we're going to do the clearing. Now, if you haven't done these before, you can have your eyes open or closed. It does not matter. You're going to hear the chimes, which simply means I'm doing clearing work, so that there's nothing hidden in there. Okay, it's if you hear chimes, I've got clearing going in the background. So here we go. Okay, so that's all done. Think of that person, the situation, the dispute, the disagreement, or the misunderstanding, whatever it was, and notice if it's a little bit lighter. And if so, wonderful. If not, see if it shifted at all and listen again with the same or a little bit different intention in mind, a little bit of whatever it shifted to. So if it's dispute, it might have shifted to disagreement. It can be very slight, but we want to get it all. So I hope you like that one. I hope it's really helpful. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give this a thumbs up. And thank you for watching, for listening, and I'll see you in the next one.